Question 12. Iodide ions, I minus aqueous, reacted with manganese O4 minus aqueous. The unbalanced equation is shown below. Write what is the ratio of MnO2 solid to OH minus aqueous in the balanced equation. What that meant is we need to balance this equation and compare the stoichiometric mole of these two substances. Now, to balance this, it looks straightforward at first. As you can see, I've got I've got one Mn and I've got one Mn. I've got one I, I've got one I. Then I've got two H's and I've got one H there. So the instinct will be to put 2 there. And then that actually is balanced because I've got 2 oxygen here plus another 2, 4 plus 1, 5, 1 plus 4, 5. 1 Mn, 1 Mn, 1 I minus. So that's balanced. But what's not balanced is the charge. minus 1 times 2, and the whole charge here is minus 3. And the charge here is minus 1 and minus 1, and that charge there is minus 2. So these charges are not balanced. So the best thing to do now is to just play along with the numbers, because I've got minus 3 to the right. So if I multiply that by 3, and then I will multiply that by 3. And if I also want to balance this, I multiply that by 2, and that would be 2, and which means I got 2 hydrogen here, I got 2 hydrogen there, and I need 2 there as well. So that would be 2. And that looks balanced, but it's very tricky to actually balance this. And so the ratio is 2 to 2. So 2 to 2 here, which is 1 to 1. And the correct answer will be C. So put C down. Note also that the charges are balanced. If you look at the charge on the right, I've got minus 3 plus minus 2, and that is minus 5. And to the left, I've got minus 2 and minus 3, which is also minus 5. So the charges on the left is balanced with the charge on the right. So we have to balance the masses, but also we have to balance the charge. And that was the difficulties here, balancing the charge.